In this video, I'm going to review and demonstrate the new Lionel hot chocolate car with platform, and we're starting right now. Hi, I'm Owen. In these videos, I do product reviews and demonstrations of Lionel Polar Express O-gauge accessories, rolling stock, and locomotives. I also review and demonstrate other manufacturers' model train layout accessories and show you how to install them and how to use them. In addition to all of that, I'm also continuing to build and expand my layout. So we get product reviews, we get demonstrations of new products, and we also get building and construction techniques and tips that I share with you. In this product review and demonstration, I'm going to share with you some information that Lionel doesn't tell you. If you find these new product reviews and demonstrations helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel. In the future, we'll continue to do new product reviews and demonstrations, and we'll also be doing helpful tips and step-by-step instructions on how to add to your layout. So what is it that Lionel isn't telling you about this creamy hot chocolate car and the platform? Well, they're not telling you the special track section that you need in order to make it work. This is the special track section. If you look at the screenshot here from Lionel's website for the creamy hot chocolate car, you'll see they've got a completely different track section, special track section listed. That special track section will not do you any good whatsoever. If you look at this, you'll see something special about this. Instead of the usual 3 rails, there's 5 rails. Those additional 2 rails are what make the hot chocolate car operate. On the bottom of the car, if you look real closely here, you can see here and down here are pickups for electrical contacts with those 2 rails. Those pickups are what make the hot chocolate car actually function. And that special section of track is the one you'll need. Here's a screenshot of the Lionel store website listing for this special track section. This special track section is described in the manual for the creamy hot chocolate car. However, on Lionel's website, they're giving you the wrong special track section. That special track section won't do you any good in getting the creamy hot chocolate car to operate. We're going to go ahead and get that track section installed on my layout, and we'll get the platform installed. One of the things that's special about this track section is that the sides snap off. And I'm going to try to snap this one off here so you can see. There we go. That section comes off so that it fits tighter up against the platform. And it needs to fit tightly up against the platform in order for it to function, in order for the man inside this car to be able to kick the hot chocolate cans out onto the platform here when the train is stopped there and you push the button to do that. That's another thing. If you look at the screenshot from Lionel for this special track section, they don't say anything about removable sides on this. However, in the owner's manual for the creamy hot chocolate car, it does describe you taking the sides off this, taking a side off this special track section so that it will fit tightly up against the platform and function the way it's supposed to. Now, let's get this installed, and then we can do a demonstration and see it in action. Well, now we come to the moment of truth. I've got the platform installed, and I've got the operating track section installed. I'm going to connect up the creamy hot chocolate car and get that on the back of the freight train. And then I'm going to pull it around to the track, to that location, and we'll try to see if we can get it to unload the cans of hot cocoa the way it's supposed to. Before the creamy hot chocolate car is ready to operate, these 7 hot chocolate cans need to be loaded into it. There's an access door in the roof of the hot chocolate car that they go through, and it's spring loaded, and I'll be loading them right now so you can see how that goes. As I insert each can, you can hear it roll down inside through the mechanism to be in position so that the car can be activated. There we go, there's 7 of them in. Now once you've loaded them and closed the door, you want to be very careful not to shake the car or tip the car over, because if you do that, those cans can get caught in the mechanism. So I'm going to very carefully now put it onto the track. Now we've got the hot chocolate car connected up. We're ready to take it around and see how she operates. Well, let's see if it'll unload. That's it, all 7 cans unloaded. That's doesn't work perfectly. The cans sometimes tip over, but it works pretty good. So I'm quite pleased with that. I think that's a cool accessory. So my overall review for this creamy hot chocolate car is definitely a thumbs up. I would definitely recommend this, and I would definitely enjoy having it, and I think it's going to be a great addition to my rolling stock. Well, that'll do it for today's video, folks. My bottom line on the creamy hot chocolate car, I think this is a great accessory, a great piece of rolling stock. I think the platform's great. The milk cans being ejected, kicked out the door by the milkman inside, I think that's a great addition to any layout. I would recommend this. But you have to be sure you get the right operating track section, not the one that Lionel tells you, but the right one. And that'll be in the comments down below. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Please share this on social media or with anyone else that you know that's into model railroading. And click the thumbs up down below and like the video. As always, thanks for watching.